In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a manual journal entry in Xero in just about 5 minutes. Whether you're new to Xero or just need a quick refresher on posting journals, you're in the right place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to ensure your accounting records are up to date and accurate. First things first, head over to the Xero website. It's simple to find, just search for Xero in your preferred web browser, and it should be one of the top results. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll see the login option located in the top right corner of the page. Click on that to proceed. The next screen you'll encounter is the login page. Here you need to enter your registered email address and password associated with your Xero account. Make sure you type these credentials carefully to avoid any access issues. After you've filled in your email and password, go ahead and click on the Login button. Assuming your login credentials are correct, you'll be taken directly to your Xero dashboard. This is where all your financial information is displayed neatly and where you can navigate to different sections of Xero. Now you'll want to access the accounting features of Xero. Look for the accounting tab. This can be found on the top navigation menu. Hover over or click on this tab to reveal the drop-down menu with several options related to your financial and accounting tasks. Within this drop-down menu, locate and click on Manual Journals. This option is specifically designed for manually inputting journal entries. Once you click it, you'll be taken to a page showing any existing journals and options to create a new one. On this page, you'll see a button or link labelled New Journal. Click on it to start the process of creating a new journal entry. This is where you'll be able to input specific financial details for your records. First up is adding your narration or description of the journal. This should be a clear, concise statement that describes the reason or purpose behind this entry. It helps to keep records understandable and traceable, so make sure it's meaningful. After your narration, you'll need to choose the date for your journal entry. This should be the date the transaction effectively took place or needs to be recorded for accounting purposes. Getting the date right is crucial for financial accuracy and reporting. Now you're ready to fill in the detailed accounting information for your journal. This includes selecting the accounts affected by this transaction, indicating whether it's a debit or credit entry for each account, and specifying the amounts involved. Double check these details to ensure they're accurate, as they will directly impact your financial reports. Once all the necessary details are filled out and you've reviewed everything to ensure accuracy, it's time to post your journal. Look for the Post button. This action will officially record your manual journal entry into Xero's ledger, updating all related accounts and reports accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully posted a manual journal entry in Xero. Remember, the beauty of Xero lies in its simplicity and efficiency, allowing you to keep your financial records in tip-top shape easily. Plus, practicing good bookkeeping habits like regularly posting accurate journal entries is foundational to managing your business's finances effectively. Before we wrap up, a couple of extra tips to keep in mind. Always double check your work before posting any journal entries. It's much easier to correct an error before it's posted than to untangle it afterwards. And if you're ever unsure about an entry, don't hesitate to consult with an accounting professional. It's always better to be safe than sorry, especially when it comes to your business's financial health. Thank you for joining me in this quick tutorial on how to create a manual journal in Xero. I hope you found this guide helpful and straightforward. Whether you're brushing up on your Xero skills or learning something new, remember that practice makes perfect. Keep at it and you'll become a Xero journaling pro in no time.